The 2025 Ford Falcon UTE is a revival of a legendary nameplate, reimagined for the modern age. It seamlessly blends rugged capability with refined comfort and cutting-edge technology. Exterior asterisk. Bold and modern design the Falcon UTE boasts a striking exterior with a bold front grille, sculpted body lines, and a muscular stance. Premium finishes, high-quality materials and attention to detail are evident throughout the exterior, with a range of premium paint options and stylish alloy wheels. Interior luxurious and tech-forward cabin the interior is a haven of comfort and technology, featuring premium leather upholstery, soft touch surfaces, and a modern dashboard layout. Advanced infotainment system a large touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage, offering intuitive controls, seamless smartphone integration, and a premium sound system. Driver-focused cockpit the driver-oriented cockpit provides easy access to controls and a clear view of the road ahead. Performance powerful engine options the Falcon UTE is available with a range of powerful and efficient engine options, including a turbocharged V6 and a high-performance V8. Smooth and refined ride the suspension is tuned for a comfortable ride on both paved and unpaved roads, while still providing excellent handling and stability. Impressive towing capacity the Falcon UTE is built to handle heavy loads, with a class-leading towing capacity. Safety comprehensive safety suite the Falcon UTE comes standard with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including airbags, electronic stability control, and traction control. Advanced driver assistance systems higher spec models are equipped with advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and autonomous emergency braking.